Dr. Cornelia Walters-Jones. I'm a counseling psychologist and I'm the CEO of JamaicanGal.com. Now, I started with my 3 books, the Jamaican Proverbs series. This is a Proverbs journal. This is Proverbs and Meanings. This has 94, and this is for children that works on respect and empathy. And then I moved into surviving the teenagers that looks at body images, that looks at bullying and online and how to navigate and money management skills and how to live with difficult family members. Yes. And then guess what? I went and did my first novel, Unloved. This is my 2nd year at Christmas in July. I'm very happy with the last year's outcome, and because my books have grown, I decided to participate again this year. And my hope and my dream is that my books will be in every Jamaican home and in the hands of every tourist. I am Dr. Cornelia Walters-Jones. I'm a counseling psychologist and I'm the CEO of